Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are all well. Today I am here to present you a very important tutorial for those who are facing a bit of problem to make their YouTube thumbnails using the PowerPoint presentation. Now I will show you how to make a very stylish and amazing YouTube thumbnails using PowerPoint presentation. Let's start. Before starting my tutorial, I am requesting to all of you for subscribing my channel and million of uh, thanks and congratulations for those who have already subscribed my channel. Let's start my tutorial. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfor Rahman, the digital expert. For making your YouTube thumbnails using PowerPoint, at first you have to open the PowerPoint presentation. Now I will open the PowerPoint presentation. Yes, now you have to design a slide. In the home screen, you have to click new slide drop down menu. Now click blank. Now the slide will be the blank. Now if you want to make a border in the four sides of this slide, you can do it. But how? Go to the insert menu and under the insert menu click the draw. Beside the insert menu, click the shapes. Insert menu, click the shapes. Then you have to choose the frame. This is the frame, and drag to the whole PowerPoint slide and then design it as you wish. Now you have to make a color. Click the right button and click format shape. Then you have an option in the right corner, fill, and in the click the fill. After clicking the fill, um, you have an option gradient fill. If you remain solid fill, then you have to change this color from here, red, or if you what you want, then you can select here various kinds of color from here. If you uh, select gradient, then you have to click the gradient fill. Then there are four lines here, four color here. You have to choose four colors in different. After choosing the different color, click the first arrow button from this side, right here, and click the color menu. Then you can select here black at first. Then the second arrow, click here uh, this color, blue, and after that number 3 arrow, click red, and number 4 you can click what you want. I want this color. This is the gradient fill. You can choose here. Let's okay. Then it's time for designing. Now I want to insert text. Click the insert menu and find out the text box. Yes, text box. Then if you can write here the main topic of your thumbnails or main topics of your video. Now I have written here in my MS Word file. Now I will copy it and then paste it. Paste here. Yes, paste complete. Now you can design here as you wish. Now I will design it, selecting font. What kind of font it is, I can choose here. Britannic bold, it will be the better for me. Now you can create it bigger by clicking this two section here, a and big N and small a. You can click here, then the font will be increased. Font will increase, and if you click the small a, the font will decrease. What you want. Now you can make bigger or make smaller, what you want. Now I will show this headlines in the center level. Yes, click the center here. After selecting here, click this menu here. Yes, now it's time for choosing the picture. Now if you want to insert picture, then click the insert menu, and after insert menu, insert menu, you can see that under the insert menu picture on this device where you have to download earlier, or what kind of picture you will use for making these thumbnails as well. And I have downloaded it earlier, and then I will collect it from my destination folder. Let's go to the video 7. Yes, these two pictures I will insert here. You can select this, and after selecting this, you can design it as your wish. You can drag and drop here. You can make it small, you can make it bigger by clicking the picture here. Yes, now you can add more picture as your own image. Then click again insert. Now I will take my own picture. Now I will selecting my picture. This picture I will use. Yes. Enough. Yes, now it's time for save this image as a thumbnail format. Let's check it out. uh, my work is complete. Before completing, you can save it. You have to save it, control plus s, and then click the file in the left menu, click the file and then click export, and then change file type, then click the jpg file, interchange, click here, then save as. Now you can uh, give a name. Mm, I can name it uh, in short YT thumb uh, nail pp, then save. But here is a reminder for the PowerPoint presentation. All slides you have, you will save all slides or not. But be careful, don't click all slide, but click, you have to click just this one. Then it will save to the your destination folder. My destination folder was the desktop. Now I have to go to my PowerPoint where this file uh, saved. Again I will do it. Click the file menu, then export, then change file type, then jpg, save as. Then I can see a video 7. Oh yes, the previous file mm, has saved in my video 7 folder. Now I will open the video 7. Yes, the file has been saved here. Look, this is the my YouTube thumbnails. I will open it. Look, this is my thumbnails. In this way you can create a very stylish and amazing YouTube thumbnails using PowerPoint presentation. That's all from today. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.lutfor11.com. Thanks.